Environment pollution. Question 1. Consider the following statements with reference to water pollution. 1. Phosphates can be used to treat a variety of water pollution problems. 2. Nonylphenol, a pollution substance found in detergents, is known to enter water bodies and the food chains. 3. Eutrophication deprives the water of available oxygen, causing the death of other organisms. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. All of the above. Question 2. Consider the following statements regarding National Air Quality Index (NAQI). 1. National Air Quality Index is a tool that uses numbers to simplify air quality data of a city by classifying pollution levels into 6 categories. 2. It has been developed by the Ministry of Urban and Housing Affairs in consultation with IIT Kanpur and an expert group comprising medical and air quality professionals. 3. The measurement of air quality is based on 8 pollutants, including carbon dioxide and ozone. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 3. Consider the following materials. 1. Metals. 2. Paper. 3. Photographic materials. 4. Rubber. 5. Ceramics and glass. 6. Paints and organic coatings. Which of the above materials are damaged by acid rain? A. 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. B. 2, 3, 4 and 6 only. C. 1, 3, 4 and 5 only. D. All of the above. Question 4. Consider the following statements regarding environmental phenomenon. 1. Thermal pollution is caused by either dumping hot water from factories and power plants or due to soil erosion. 2. The Eastern Indian Ocean region experienced the greatest increase in marine heat waves as compared to the Arabian Sea. 3. Marine heat waves lead to coral bleaching, seagrass destruction, and loss of kelp forests, affecting the fisheries sector adversely. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 5. Consider the following statements with reference to electronic waste. 1. It only includes the discarded and end-of-life electronic products used in information and communication technology. 2. The E-Waste Management Rules 2016 extend the responsibility to producers to manage a system of e-waste collection, storage, transportation, environmentally sound dismantling and recycling through extended producer responsibility, EPR, authorization. 3. The report titled Waste-Wise Cities, Best Practices in Municipal Solid Waste Management was published by Central Control Pollution Board and Center for Science and Environment. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 6. Consider the following statements with reference to mercury pollution. 1. Mercury can be toxic and can cause damage to the nervous and immune system. 2. Recently, a binding agreement was signed at a meeting of the Conference of Parties to the Minamata Convention on Mercury, COP 4.2, to combat illegal trade in mercury. 3. The Minamata Convention on Mercury is a multilateral environmental agreement that addresses specific human activities which are contributing to widespread mercury pollution. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 7. Which of the following are the causes for deforestation? 1. Slash and burn cultivation. 2. Mining. 3. Hydroelectric project. 4. Community forestry. 5. Defense and communication activities. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 2, 3 and 5 only. B. 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. C. 1, 2, 3 and 5 only. D. 1, 3 and 4 only. Question 8. Which of the following are the effects of acid rain on the environment? 1. Acid rains add minerals and nutrients to the soil. 2. Acid rains adversely impact open historical heritage and monuments. 3. Acid rains can also impact coral vegetation and marine ecosystems. 4. Acid rain can cause the ocean's pH to rise. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 and 4 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 3 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 9. Consider the following statements regarding forest fire in India. 1. Fires that burn organic material in the soil are called ground fires and they burn slowly, under vegetation. 2. Ground fires burn quickly from one tree top to another and have huge flames with intense heat and are rare in India. 3. Dry pine leaves are highly inflammable and significantly increase the fuel load and are most prone to fires. 4. According to the Forest Survey of India, FSI, based on the forest inventory records, 30% of India's forests are prone to occasional fires. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 2, 3 and 4 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 10. Consider the following statements regarding pollutants. 1. Biomagnification refers to increase in concentration of a pollutant from the environment to the first organism in a food chain. 2. Bioaccumulation refers to the tendency of pollutants to concentrate as they move from one trophic level to the next. 3. Heavy metals pose a serious threat to humans and the environment because of its toxicity, bioaccumulation, and their ability to affect the biodegradability of organic pollutants. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3.